welcome to my channel. Today I am testing out two eyeshadow palettes. They are both by Makeup Revolution. I have the Reloaded Iconic Neutrals 2 and the Reloaded Iconic Fever. I think that these eyeshadow palettes are gorgeous. And they're $7 each. I don't know if I already said that, but if I didn't, or if I did, sorry. But they're $7. So yeah, I mean, this is what I created. Mostly using the Iconic Fever, but also using this one. I'm not using this one as much today because I used it yesterday and I was very happy with how it turned out. It turned out super pink, obviously, because that's what I had to work with, but yeah, it was cute. And I like how this turned out. Hopefully you like it too. And if you do, please click like. And if you would like to see more makeup done by me, click subscribe. And let's get started. So as you can see, I already did my face, my eyebrows, my lips. I did this just because the last couple videos I've done have been crazy long and I just want them to be a little bit shorter since I only really want to focus on eyeshadow today. So there's not really a point in me showing you my face when you can go watch those other videos. I put on my Lancome Longwear eyeshadow base already in Nude 03. For my base eyeshadow color, I'm taking the Iconic Fever, and I don't think any of these have names, I just realized that. But I'm taking this color, I guess. And my brushes are dirty. Whenever I tap it, I notice that a lot of powder comes off of my brush, but there's not a huge amount of fallout on here. And it's really easy to load up the brush just by like touching it a little. I don't believe I mentioned what brush I'm using. So far I've only used a large blending brush from the Morphe 702 set. And all the eyeshadow brushes I will be using will be Morphe brushes from the 702 set or from the 686 set. And now I'm going to take the same brush, I'm going to go in this color, and I'm also going to put this in my crease. I'm mixing these two colors and I'm going to put it under my eye with the same brush. I am taking a smaller blending brush and I am hopping over here to this color. And I'm going to put this in my V. So I want to do a half cut crease, so I am taking my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and a concealer brush from the Morphe 686 set. Just going to take a little concealer and put this in the inner corner of my eye, going halfway to my eye, or halfway, like just to the center of my eye. I am taking the Iconic Neutrals 2 palette and I am drawn to this color here. So I have an unmarked lid brush that I'm taking and I'm just dabbing it on here. And now I'm going to put it in or on top of the concealer. So I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to try to soften this look up. Okay, I'm gonna take my finger to do this. It's swatching well on my hand, but it's not applying well to my eye. This is very clumpy. I do not like this color. I guess this isn't that bad, but I want to try putting on a little bit more concealer on my inner corner and see how that turns out. From the Iconic Fever palette, I am picking up this color right here. I feel like my eyes look like Napoleon ice cream with the strawberry, with the vanilla, with the strawberry and the chocolate. So I would like to soften the outer portion of my eye. So I'm just going to go back to this color right here with the original blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner and kind of smoke this out. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go back into this color and apply this to my V again. Now I'm going to take a Morphe smudge brush from the 702 set and this color right here, and I'm going to focus this on the bottom of the outer half of my eye. I need to blend this out a little bit better, so I'm taking that tiny blending brush from the Morphe 702 set. I'm just gonna blend it. So one thing I just wanted to note, because I just got a tiny bit of fallout on my face right here, and other than that, I haven't had any fallout on my face, which is really quite impressive, honestly. I don't mind fallout that much because usually I do my eyes and then my face, so I don't care, but since I did my face first, to be able to use something and know it's not going to have fallout is really nice. That's something I haven't experienced with either of these palettes. Both of them have had zero fallout so far. Yesterday when I tried out the Newtrals 2 more, again, no fallout. It's quite impressive. I am taking the smudge brush and I am going to apply this color on the outer half of my eye, lower lash line. And I'm also going to take it with this color just a tiny bit and really concentrate this close to my lash line. So I think either these two colors would make a really pretty inner corner highlight. I'm going to start off with this one just because it's a little bit more mild and see how I like it, and then if it's not enough I will move up to this color. This one is slightly more gold and this one has more of a pink tint to it. And I don't know if you can even tell, but I applied that inner corner highlight using this color, and it's not really enough for me, so I'm taking the same brush and I'm going to go into this color right here and test this out. I hear my cat. Hey, buddy. This is my kitty. This is Jupe. He doesn't like being held, but... Oh my... Say hi. Oh my god. He's so cute. Okay. Back to business. So I think that's good for the eyeshadow. I still need to put on pencil eyeliner to my waterline and lashes. For lashes, I will be using Ardell Demi Wispies, and to line my upper waterline, I will be using the Buxom just pencil eyeliner and Call Me, which is black. Jupe. You're obnoxious. So eyelashes are on. I put on a little bit more lip gloss, which is the NYX Intense Buttergloss in Apple Dumpling, and it's a little, like has a lot of pigment, so I just put a little bit on my lip and then I spread it around so it's not quite as pigmented. But yeah, that's all for this look. I am quite impressed with these palettes for $7. I mean, for $7 you can't beat the amount of colors you get. You get 15 colors per palette for $7. And I mean, the quality is really great, no fallout. I only had a problem with one color so far, which was this one, which you know about because I already complained. All the other colors have been great. I haven't tried all of them yet, but I've tried quite a few, and I think I've done enough to see like just where this palette's at, and I think it's a win, especially for the price. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe.